Okay, so it's here, seeds for the soul, 100% vegan. So unfortunately it's fully booked, so I need to come back at 2. Let's explore the area for like 1 hour. Okay, so I bought myself a little snack and I saw there is a park nearby, so I'm gonna go there for now. So that's how it looks on the inside. It's good, full with caramel. Really good. This place has some pretty necklaces. Okay, so here is the park. Right here it seems nice.
Sitting by the water, I was on the line. Wish that I was right beside you. I hope I'm on your mind. And oh, I'm missing you. Like snow in winter, it thaws out in the sun. Don't you worry, from the darkness a new day always comes. And
Beauty's nail for that.
Fly away with me, take you high, soaring, see you smile, it's my only dream.
Very pretty bunny handle. Look at this cute strawberry jacket, but it's quite expensive. I think it costs 91 pounds. This is also cute. Very nice to touch. I'm not sure the prices.
Staring out into the sea.
With me,
It's quite a granny vest.
soaring,
My toes
see
slip
you
into
smile.
the
That's cute. Looks like a pet store. White bill paws. Okay, so I'm here at Seeds for the Soul restaurant, and this is the menu. Now let's check it out. Let me show you what I took. I took here the nourish bowl, and I wanted to take the gyoza, but unfortunately they don't have, so I think I'm gonna take the Kalmari wings, and for a drink I want to take this one, the biscoff. And that's a lot of food. I hope I can manage to eat it all. Okay, so I just got all of the food. The chocolate is already starting to melt. So here I have the Asian healthy salad with the vegan chicken. This is the calamari, and this is the biscuit chocolate. And I'm gonna dig in now. It smells so good. Okay, itadakimasu. I'll start with this one. Oh. I think the inside is made out of mushroom, but I'm not sure. The mayo is good. It have kind of like a lemony taste. at these beautiful poles full with flowers. Crazy, look how many bikes there. You see that? It's a river of bikes. Luckily I need to go here. Look how many bikers. This is official biking day. Crazy. They're on the bike and they just don't care. The old traffic can't wait. Okay, time right now is almost 3 p.m. and I almost reached the farmer market. And here is the start of the farmer market. Just need to cross there. Let's go. So many booths. And they have a lot of animal items. Oh, a stand for doggies. Park here. Take the bandana I bought the other day. Unfortunately, not many vegan options in the farm market. Look how many seagulls! Oh my god, they're so bratty. They're fighting about a piece of pastry. They're crazy. This one looks so disappointed. The other seagull just ran off with a huge piece of pastry. I have nothing to give you, sorry guys. They're like huge angry pigeons. So anyway, not many vegan options in this farmer market. So there is another part of the farmer market here. Let's see what they have here. Look like nuts. Oh, those are pretty. Stop here at a place called and I took the brownie. Wow, look how colorful is this street. So I'm inside an Harry Potter theme store. You can see plenty of Harry Potter merchandise. And here they sell wands. Look at the size of this cup. So Harry Potter cards. Oh, the Mandalorian. That's more interesting. And they also have lots of candies. Chocolate one. Okay, so we came from down here. Now we go up. So time right now is 3:30 p.m. and it's time to head back to my hotel. Still full from what I ate earlier. So I came across Waverley Market and I see the vegan friendly sign. Let's go see. They have all of those pastry, and from what I see, I think all of them are vegan. So I got myself 3 little bowls, each one filled with something else. And so cool how they sell reindeer. Oh, I can see it here. Okay, let's try them. I think I'm start with one with the seed. so nice to touch. Let's hope it's tasty. Vegan friendly sign just behind me. Tastes like dates. Let's try this one. Oh, so the dry texture. Okay, and this is the last one to try. To be honest, the first two wasn't that good. This one too strong of a date taste, and this one so dry I almost choke. Let's hope this one is better. This is chocolate and sea salt. This is better. I think this is the best from the three. So I'm at the store called Hotel Chocolate, and I took the vegan filling box. They have so many pretty colors, but in the vegan one they only have this. Found a snack. Not sure chocolate is good for me. Okay, time right now is 4:30 p.m. and I'm back to the hotel. At least the fire alarm is off. Okay, time right now is 6:30 p.m. and I'm gonna eat this. I think it was a brownie that I got from the Hula juice bar. Oh, it's quite melted. Oh, let's see if I can pick it up. Okay, surprisingly, it's still in one piece. Very heavy. Okay, it looks like a big chunk of chocolate. So let's try it out. Yes. Num num num. It's kind of look like a chocolate ball, just in a square. Okay. Yep. Tastes just like, those chocolate and petit balls biscuit. It's good. I'm gonna have a chocolate and sugar overload when I'm finished this. I'm gonna give it 8.7. I think it also have raisins inside. Either raisin or cranberries. That's what I felt.